This is one of the best ways to cash in on Deepseek while it's still hot. Most people trying to make money online are doing it wrong. They jump from one method to the next, chasing whatever sounds the easiest, hoping to make quick cash without putting in real effort. They watch a video, follow half the steps, get frustrated when it doesn't work immediately, and move on to the next thing. That's why so many people stay broke. But today, I'm going to show you something different. This isn't another get-rich-quick scheme that falls apart the second you try it. It's a real, repeatable system using Deepseek AI to sell ebooks on a platform most business owners don't even think about. Google Books. This method is 100% legit, requires no upfront investment, and can be scaled to make over $1,000 a week if you do it right. Let's break it down. So, Google Books is a massive platform, similar to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, but most people have no idea it even exists. Unlike Amazon, where you're competing against millions of self-published authors, Google Books has way less competition. That means, if you get in now, while AI tools are making content creation easier than ever, you can position yourself ahead of the crowd and start making serious money before this method gets oversaturated. Google Books is available in over 75 countries and reaches more than 3 billion people. That's 3 billion potential buyers for digital books that you can create in a matter of hours using Deepseek. Now that you understand the potential, let's talk about the step-by-step process you can follow to set this up. By the way, I noticed from my comments that a lot of people don't get the advice and guidance they need to make money online. So I made this community where I personally guide you, step by step, to earning your first $1,000 online. Inside AI Income Friends, I'll teach you how to leverage YouTube automation, AI-driven short videos, digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and much more. Plus, you'll have my direct support through bi-weekly live coaching calls to make sure that you stay on track. When you join today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. You'll also be part of bi-weekly group coaching calls for direct mentorship and strategy reviews. On top of that, you'll be surrounded by a supportive community of like-minded people who will keep you accountable, and you'll have access to monthly giveaways to keep you motivated and help you succeed even faster. If you're serious about making your first $1,000 online, this is your opportunity. Click the first link in the description and join AI Income Friends today for instant access to everything. Step 1. Set up your Google Books partner account. This is where you'll upload and sell your ebooks. Open up Google and type in Google Books Partner Center. The first result should be the official site. Click on it, and you'll see an option to get started. You'll need a Google account for this, so if you don't already have one, create one now. Once you're logged in, Google will ask you for some basic details to set up your seller account. Before you can make any money, you have to set up your payment profile. This is important because it determines how you'll actually receive your earnings. Google Books pays you directly to your bank account, so you'll need to enter your bank details. This works worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're located, Google can still pay you. You'll also need to fill out some tax information. A lot of people get intimidated by this step, but don't overthink it. You don't need a US tax ID, and Google's system walks you through the process. Just follow the instructions, and once you're done, your account is officially set up. Now, you're ready to add your first book. But we need to create it first. This is where Deepseek AI comes in. Step 2. Generate your ebook content. Deepseek is a game changer when it comes to creating ebooks quickly. If you've tried using ChatGPT or other AI tools before and found them lacking, Deepseek is different. It's designed to generate high-quality content that actually reads well, making it perfect for ebook creation. But here's the thing. Most people who use AI for ebooks do it the lazy way. They tell AI to write a book about fitness and expect a bestseller. That's why so many AI-generated books fail. The real money comes from choosing the right niche, structuring your book correctly, and making sure it delivers real value. The first step is finding a profitable topic. You want something that has demand, but isn't completely saturated. AI, finance, and fitness are always hot topics. But within those broad categories, you need to go deeper. Instead of just AI, think about specific trends like AI tools for small businesses or how AI is changing job markets. Instead of just finance, focus on niche topics like budgeting for freelancers or investing strategies for beginners. The more specific you get, the easier it is to stand out. Deepseek can help with this. You can use it to generate a list of trending topics by entering a simple prompt asking for the most popular ebook topics right now. Once you have a topic, you need to outline your book. A well-structured book sells better than one that feels like a random collection of information. In Deepseek, you can generate an outline based on your topic. Then, you can expand each section into fully written chapters. Remember to not just copy and paste whatever the AI generates. Have a read-through and ask yourself if it makes sense and if you'd be happy to pay for this information. Deepseek allows you to refine and improve sections, making sure your book flows naturally. You can easily ask it to make edits. Step 3. Format your ebook. After you've generated the content for all of the chapters, copy everything into a Google Doc. This is where you'll clean it up and format it. AI-generated text is a great starting point, but you should always go through it to make small edits. Fix any awkward wording, add subheadings where you need to, and make sure everything is easy to read. People are more likely to buy a book that looks polished rather than something that screams AI-generated. Adding images is another way to make your ebook more professional. This is where Leonardo AI comes in. This tool lets you generate images that fit perfectly with your content. If your book is about fitness, you can create illustrations of different exercises. If it's about budgeting for freelancers, you can generate images of somebody working to make the book feel more engaging. To do this, go to Leonardo AI and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click on Image Creation. Now, enter a description of the image you need and select your settings. Then, generate the images. Select the one you like best, or try a different prompt if you want something different. Download the images that you like and then insert them into your Google Doc where relevant. By the way, at the end of your ebook, it's good to add a disclaimer stating that AI was used in the creation process. This builds trust with readers and keeps everything transparent. When you're finished formatting, save the ebook as a PDF. This is the format you'll need for uploading to Google Books. Step 4. Create a book cover. A great book cover makes a huge difference in sales. People do judge books by their covers, and if yours looks amateurish, it doesn't matter how good the content is, nobody will buy it. Luckily, you don't need to be a graphic designer to create a professional-looking cover. You can use Leonardo AI again to create an image as we did before. Once you have your image, go to Canva. Search for an ebook cover template. Look through these options and pick one that stands out to you. Open up your template, then delete the images that are already here. Upload your Leonardo AI image and then adjust the text so that it's the title of your ebook. Once you're happy with your cover, go ahead and download it. Step 5. Publish your ebook. Go back to the Google Books Partner Center and click on Add Your First Book. If this is your first time, your account might go through a short policy review before you can start selling. Once you're approved, select the option to Sell eBook on Google Play. Google will generate a Google Book ID, GG key, for your book. This is like a unique identifier that helps track sales and distribution. Now, you'll need to fill out the book details. Start by entering your book title, a short description, which you can generate with Deepseek AI, and your publisher name. If you're self-publishing, you can just use your own name as the publisher. Then, select the format, PDF. Enter the page count. Set the release and publication dates, and specify the target age group. If your book contains mature content, you'll need to say it does. Next, choose your book's genre. This is important because it determines where your book appears in Google's store. Pick the category that best matches your topic. If you're not sure, look at similar books and see what genres they're listed under. Then, add yourself as the author and set the preview limit to 20%. This lets readers see a small portion of the book before buying. To prevent people from copying your content, set the copy and paste limit to 0%. Upload your ebook PDF and the cover image. Finally, set your price. A good starting point is $9.99, but you can adjust this based on the length and quality of your book. Double-check everything, then hit publish. Your ebook is now live on Google Books, available for millions of potential buyers. Step 6. Market. Your ebook publishing. Your ebook is just the first step. If you want to actually make money, you need to get people to see it. The biggest mistake people make is assuming that just because their book is live on Google Books, customers will magically find it. That's not how it works. Google Books doesn't have the same built-in audience as Amazon Kindle, so you need to actively drive traffic to your book if you want to make consistent sales. The good news is that AI makes this process a whole lot easier. You don't need a massive social media following, and you don't have to spend money on ads. You just need to know how to get your book in front of the right people. The best way to do this is by creating short-form content that promotes your book. This means TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms have massive organic reach, and they're perfect for getting people to discover your book for free. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You can use AI-generated voiceovers and text-based videos instead. The key is making content that hooks viewers in the first few seconds. Let's stick to our ebook example of budgeting for freelancers. We could use Deepseek to write short-form video scripts for us. Now with this script, you can create a video. If you don't know how to edit videos, don't worry. InVideo is a great tool that can create an entire video from your script. Just head over to the website, sign up and sign in. Go to Workflows and look for the YouTube Shorts workflow. Now, you can paste in your script and then select these settings, such as the type of voiceover, type of footage, music, subtitles, and so on. Once you've done that, go ahead and generate your video. Within a few minutes, you'll get a full video that you can upload to YouTube Shorts as well as TikTok and Instagram. Another great way to promote your book is through Reddit and Quora. These platforms are gold mines for organic traffic because people are actively searching for information. In our example, we can search on Reddit, how to budget as a freelancer. Look for people who have asked relevant questions and then answer. The trick is to provide value first, then mention your book naturally. Don't just drop your link everywhere, that will get you banned. Instead, find discussions related to your book's topic and write detailed, helpful answers. At the end of your response, casually mention that you wrote a full guide on this topic, and if they want to learn more, they can check it out on Google Books. This strategy works extremely well because people already trust your expertise by the time they see your book recommendation. X and LinkedIn are also great platforms for promotion, especially if your book is in a professional niche. On Twitter, short, engaging threads work best. For example, we could write a thread like 10 budgeting tools you need as a freelancer in 2025. Each tweet in the thread would highlight a different tool, and at the end, you could say, "Want a full breakdown of how to use these tools? I put everything into a detailed ebook. Link in my bio." If you have a bit more time, starting a simple blog can also drive long-term traffic to your book. Deepseek can generate entire blog posts for you. The key is to write about topics that people are already searching for. Use a tool like Answer the Public or Also Asked to find common questions in your niche, then create articles that answer those questions. At the end of each blog post, mention your book as a deeper resource. Over time, these blog posts can rank on Google and bring in consistent traffic to your book without you having to do anything. Step 7. Boost revenue. Now, let's talk about pricing strategy. A lot of beginners underprice their ebooks because they're afraid no one will buy them. They think if they price it too high, people won't be interested. That's the wrong mindset. If your book provides real value, people will pay for it. A good starting price is $9.99, but you can test higher prices like $14.99 or even $19.99 if your book is packed with useful information. If you want to maximize profits, you can also create multiple books on related topics and bundle them together at a discount. For example, if you write one book on AI tools for business and another book on AI tools for content creation, You could offer both as a bundle for $24.99. This increases the perceived value and makes people more likely to buy. Once you start making sales, reinvest some of your earnings into paid promotions. Running low-cost Facebook and TikTok ads can boost your book's visibility and generate even more sales. You don't need a huge budget. Just $5 to $10 a day can get your book in front of thousands of potential buyers. The best way to run ads is by testing different creatives to see what works best. Try a few different ad angles, like a video of you explaining why your book is valuable, or a simple text-based ad highlighting key benefits. Keep an eye on the results, and once you find an ad that performs well, scale it up. Finally, don't stop at just one book. The easiest way to scale this business is by publishing multiple ebooks. Once you've successfully sold one book, you already have the system in place. You can rinse and repeat the process with new topics, refine your strategy, and keep building your digital publishing business. Some people make thousands of dollars a month just from Google Books alone, and with Deepseek, it's easier than ever to do the same. Most people will watch this video and never take action. They'll think about it, maybe even set up an account, but then they'll get distracted and never upload their first book. That's why so few people actually succeed in making money online. But if you follow these steps and actually put in the effort, you have a real chance to build a solid passive income stream. AI is changing the way people create and sell content, and right now, you have an opportunity to get in before the competition catches up. So stop waiting, start creating, and start making money with Deepseek and Google Books today. Have you used Google Books before? Will you be trying this method out? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.